Hey guys, welcome to the show. Swiss franc yen. I attempted a buy right here. I think I'm just a glutton for punishment. I'm not sure where my head was this Tuesday, because the other trade I took on Tuesday before this one, I don't even know. But so looking at the hourly, it's just a humongous range. I mean, I can zoom out as far as I can see, and it's just this ginormous range. And I decided to take a buy at the top of this humongous range on a lower time frame. So, yeah, correlation sucks. I put after the fact that I took the trade, I was like, oh yeah, correlation sucks. So, this I don't even know what to do with this PA, guys. So if you watch it, just get a good laugh in, because the only thing I can see is I was focused on this big candle that broke this range, and that's why I have this breach line here. That this guy breached, fire breached, pulled back, fire breached, pulled back, and I guess I was looking for a better price to go on a lower time frame. Is all I can think of. Yeah, I have no idea, guys. So I'm just going to chalk this one up as a total horrible loss. That I don't know where my head was. I saw this guy pulling back and this strong reaction, and I saw this struggling pull. That's probably it right there. On the 5-minute, I saw this struggling pullback, this attempt to make a lower low and got rejected, and then I saw this slow struggling pullback, and I decided to get in on this humongous candle down. Yeah, so not sure, guys. So all right, that's it for this one. Don't do this again.